Hey family, so today I'm taking you along on my trip to class. Yes, it's an evening class, so I'm leaving around 5 p.m. Let's go. It's getting colder these days, and I really didn't want to walk all the way to the bus station, so I decided to take a short bus ride to get there faster. Now I'm on my way to the first bus stop. If I had walked straight to the main bus station, I would have taken about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on my speed. But honestly, I was not about to freeze in this weather. No. I had to wait at the stop for a while, and at this point, I knew I was getting late. Maybe I should have walked. I should have just walked. Oh my God. Finally got to the bus station, but guess what? The main bus had already left. Now I had to wait again. A lot of people were already there, and after a long wait, the next bus finally came. At this point, I was already stressing about being late, but at least I wasn't alone. Everyone else was waiting too. So the bus came and I finally got on the bus. Guess what? Road works, traffic. At this point, I was already 1 hour late. I texted my friend to ask what's happening. Did the professor ask for me or something? And she said yes, but luckily today was just a job interview discussion since we are close to completing the course. Still, I was super stressed out. I hate being late. Finally arrived at my destination, got off the bus, but now had to walk super fast to school. It's about 10 to 12 minutes from the bus stop to class, so I was basically power walking. When I arrived, I saw my classmates outside and they told me it was one-on-one session. Okay, at least I could learn something before it was my turn, because I have an exam coming up next week, and that's the last exams. Yeah. Sorry I couldn't capture the interview because, well, I had to focus, but basically we talked about job opportunities after completing this course. Super important. Yeah. So right after the section, I had to rush to catch my home bus. But guess what? I missed it again. Now I had to wait another 30 minutes for the next one. So after waiting, the bus finally came, and then I just got in to go back home. When I got to the main station, to the main bus station, my usual bus had already left. My usual bus to go home had already left, so I had to walk back. On my way, I stopped at a shop to buy some milk, bread and water. I didn't record this part because I was too cold and just wanted to get home faster. Yeah. voila, and finally I'm home after a long, cold, stressful day. All I want to do now is warm up and sleep. Thank you for coming along with me on this little adventure. See you again next time. Bye.